Introducing the face of Cartullo Couture, Brenda Barrett.
Thank you. I am incredibly honored to be able to represent Cartullo. Their incredible designs and their social conscience, I believe, have put them at the top of the fashion world and make them a model for the industry. They have also graciously agreed to support a charity that is incredibly dear to my heart. It is the Alliance to Save Exploited Children All Over the World.
Czy pani widziała, kto panią zaatakował wczoraj wieczorem?
Miss Brenda, is it true that someone attacked you last night at benefit party?
No, I was in no danger last night. I'm incredibly excited to talk about Cartullo and their connection with ASAC. We, together, are going to raise awareness for children who have no voice of their own.